Hi, today we are going to learn about rounding numbers to the required degree of accuracy. First of all, what is rounding? Rounding is the process of approximating a number, keeping its value close to what it was. Next is, what is degree of accuracy? It is defined as a measure of how close and correct a stated value is to the actual, real value being described. Next is, what is context? Context means in relation to a situation. Next is, what is estimation? It is the best and sensible guess. While choosing an appropriate degree of accuracy, we need to keep the following things in mind. First is, it should be easy to calculate mentally. Second is, it should be close to actual numbers. Let's learn with the help of an example. Round the given number to the nearest 1 millionth. The number shown here is 2,631,921. Rounding to the nearest million means finding the nearest multiple of 1 million to the given number. For this, we can find the multiples of 1 million which come immediately before and after the number 2,631,921. The multiple of 1 million that comes before the number is 2 million, and the multiple of 1 million that comes after the number is 3 million. This means if the number is rounded down, the answer will be 2 million, and if the number is rounded up, the answer will be 3 million. We look at the digits to the right of the million column to know whether to round it up or down. If the hundred thousands are 5 or more, then round it up. If they are less than 5, then round it down. 2,631,921 will be rounded up because it has 600,000. Therefore, 2,631,921 rounded to the nearest million is 3 million. Next is rounding in context. Question 1. On Saturday, 57,893 people visited the stadium. On Friday, 23,358 people visited the stadium. What is the estimate difference between the people who visited the stadium? Here, we'll round both the numbers to get the estimation. Which degree of accuracy we'll round it to? We'll round these numbers to the nearest thousands as it will not make much difference to the numbers, and it will still be easier to work with multiples of thousands. Therefore, 57,893 rounded to the nearest thousand round up to 58,000, whereas 23,358 rounded to the near thousand round down to 23,000. Therefore, the difference between them would be 35,000. So we can say that 35,000 is the estimated difference. Question 2. A school wants to purchase water bottles for the students. If 1,529 students are there at the school, then what is the estimated number of water bottles that should be purchased? Now here, if we'll round down to 1,500, then the number of water bottles will be less. In this situation, we can't have less than 1,529 bottles, as they won't be sufficient for 1,529 students. So, in this situation, we'll round up our number to the nearest 100. That means 1,600 water bottles will be purchased. Question 3. Mr. Jones went on a family trip. On the first day, they drove 257 miles. On the second day, they drove 312 miles. On the third day, they drove 145 miles. Find out the estimate that how many miles did they drive in all. Here we can round the distances to the nearest 10, as it will not change the numbers to a great extent and will be easier to work with. Therefore, distance covered on the first day is 257 miles. Distance covered on second day is 312 miles. Distance covered on third day is 145 miles. Now, once we'll round these numbers to the nearest 10, we'll get the value as 260 miles, 310 miles, and 150 miles respectively. Therefore, the total distance covered would be sum of 260, 310, and 150, That would be approximately 720 miles.